Such a wonderful sunny day. It's time until the rain started. Do car. Tint up dab. Do then service suspension. Oil filter all things. And until it started raining. Drove.
Coffee gone cold on the counter, lipstick stain on a chip white cup. Last night's dress on the back of a chair. Your name in my throat won't come up. One of your shirts in my closet, one of your socks in the washing machine. Little ghosts in the quiet corners, every room still playing your scene. Now it's ashtrays and echoes, breathing you in like smoke. Lonely empty bed is the punchline of a joke. Said we'd never break, guess we spoke too close. Now it's ashtrays and echoes, and I miss you the most. I talk to the cracks in the ceiling. They've heard our fights and our late night plans. Scroll through your face at 2 in the morning. Thumb on your number, shaking hands. Friends say I'm better without you. They don't see me on the kitchen floor, dancing slow with your faded sweater. Like if I hold on, you'll walk through the door. The keys, I held the blame. You kept your pride, I kept your ring. You walked away, I kept everything.
This is how my baby's express repair turned out. Everything is done and even more. More than I wanted originally. All jams eliminated. Everything is completely ready. And I was with you, Evgeny Nazarov. And this is Nazarov Custom Channel. Subscribe, see, discuss. And I have to go. I will go to collect a fork for a new motorcycle. And Sucker is gabbing.